Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about chapter 2 of your HSC 11th standard textbook, grammar topics. So, the fourth grammar topic of this chapter is les mots interrogatifs, question words. There are only two question words given in this lesson. So, they are qui, Q-U-I is pronounced as qui, which means who, and como, which means how. The spelling is same as comment, but it is pronounced in French as como. Como means how. So example for qui is qui est le professeur de français? Who is the French teacher? So c'est Monsieur Roux. It is Mr. Roux. Example for como is comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous means how are you? So the reply is très bien, merci. Very good, thank you. This was a very short topic, only two words you have to learn. Moving on to the next topic, it is verb s'appeler. Verb s'appeler means to call oneself. When I say in my every video, je m'appelle. Okay, je m'appelle means I call myself Khushi. My name is Khushi. Okay, je m'appelle. So the question word is comment tu t'appelles or comment t'appelles-tu? How do you call yourself? What is your name? So je m'appelle Maya. Comment t'appelles-tu? Or you can say comment tu t'appelles? Same way. Je m'appelle Maya. The question word again is next one. Comment vous appelez-vous, monsieur? Vous is for respect or for plural. Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous, monsieur? So, je m'appelle Nathan Dubois. Okay. How do you call yourself, sir or mister? So, he says, je m'appelle Nathan Dubois. Comment s'appelle-t-il? Or comment s'appelle-t-elle? It is what is his name or what is her name or what is it called. He or she also means it, no? Il also means it. So, como s'appelle-t-il? Como s'appelle-t-elle means how do he calls herself, he calls himself, or how does she call herself? So, the reply is il s'appelle. In this case, you can see the entire verb conjugation is not given. Je, tu, il, nous, vous, il is not given. Just question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. You also have to learn in this way itself. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle so and so. Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle so and so. Comment s'appelle-t-il or s'appelle-t-elle? Il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. Clear? This is a separate grammar topic, the topic 6 of this lesson. I'll cover it in the next video. Till then, bye bye.